Imagine a chessboard where every move is calculated, every piece crucial. Now picture this on a political scale. The Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa, akin to a skilled chess player, has made a strategic decision. They've decided not to accredit Zanu-PF, a political entity from Zimbabwe, to observe the upcoming general elections in South Africa. This decision comes amidst concerns voiced by opposition parties, highlighting the delicate balance of trust and transparency needed in the electoral process. The IEC, in a statement, reassured the ATM community and the broader electorate, emphasizing their commitment to an election free from external influences that could skew the sanctity of the vote. The underlying message here is clear. The integrity of elections is paramount. The IEC is setting a precedent, ensuring that the electoral process remains a reflection of the people's will, unmarred by potential biases or interventions. As South Africa gears up for the general elections on the 29th of May 2024, it stands as a testament to the power of safeguarding democratic processes, ensuring every voice has the chance to be heard, loud and clear, in the chorus of democracy.